Broja has been coming off the bench for Chelsea for a couple of games now, each substitute appearance better than the last. It only makes sense that he starts the first game of Chelsea's UEFA Champions League campaign. After signing a new long-term contract, he would be slightly expecting a couple of starts now and then. Plus, the new contract shows that Thomas Tuchel values him. Yes, we all know Thomas Tuchel is one stubborn coach that continuously plays players out of position or hardly plays them at all, but this season he has turned a new leaf. Proof of this is the fact that he benched both Mount and Havertz after their poor performances. Back to Broja. He needs to be trusted against a hugely inferior team from the start. That will do him a world of good, as he will finally experience having Tuchel's trust. Him starting will also allow Chelsea to play with an actual striker for the first time this season. Broja will add much needed physicality in the Chelsea attack, which lacks a target point or point of reference up top. Broja is more than a target man. He possesses pace and trickery, which he displayed against Leicester when he came on. It only makes sense that Tuchel starts him. Ben Chilwell came to Chelsea's rescue last time out. He would want to build on that with a start in the Champions League. Cucurella has been a great addition to the team, adding a different dynamic to the Chelsea attack from wingback, with those traditional pass crosses made famous by the legendary Barca team under Pep. But Chilwell's introduction against West Ham showed that Chelsea need a wingback to run in behind when a team is playing a low block, as that creates opportunities and causes panic in the opposition defense, as seen in his goal against West Ham. A start for Chilwell will also help him build fitness and gain much needed match fitness after the long-term injury he has come back from. Chilwell enjoys coming inside and stations himself as a left-sided striker when Chelsea are in possession. That adds more players in the box, plus increases the chance of a player getting on the end of a James cross into the box. If his visit to Milan has gone successfully, then Aubameyang needs to start his first match for Chelsea. Because of the opposition, this match can be used to help settle Aubameyang in and see how he fits with his teammates in an actual match scenario. His start will also provide an opportunity to have him build a relationship with Broja, as that partnership might come in handy when Chelsea are behind in matches and need goals desperately. Plus, playing him with Broja will help ease the load on Aubameyang, as he will have a strike partner to share the goal-scoring responsibility with. With Aubameyang taking the number 9 jersey at Chelsea, it would be great to have him score on his debut, just to silence the myth of the jersey being cursed. There's no better match for that than this one.